Today I've got something special for you. It's a grain salad. It's not just a spring salad, it's a more substantial, I would say powerhouse meal because it's packed with fiber and protein to double as dinner. The most important thing about this salad is that it packs at least 10 plants without counting the spices, and that's going to help you with that goal of 30 plants a week. That's so important for your gut health. Let me show you how to make it. You want to start by cooking the grains first, but listen, you can use ready cooked rice and quinoa, no judgment whatsoever. That will save you a whole hour. So what I want to do, I want to halve these tomatoes to get that moisture into the salad. But I think I'd probably prefer to roast them actually. So yeah, if you give this a try, just let me know. I'll probably make a version with the roast tomatoes. These olives are massive. I'm ready to chop the herbs now. Try and chop them towards the end, otherwise just put them in the fridge. Then you want to quickly pickle a small shallot for more texture and a little tangy flavour. This must be the easiest pickle you ever make, and it can last in the fridge for a few weeks to add to other salads. For the dressing, you want to start with the garlic clove mashed into a paste, then add zest from 1 lemon, half of the lemon juice, or all if you want, olive oil, the yogurt, and season well with sea salt and black pepper. I often make this salad as I'm meal prepping for the week, and only mix everything up just as I prepare a quick, wholesome lunch. I use brown basmati. I find that it's not so chewy as the long grain, and it cooks faster. I also use white quinoa, although sometimes you can find a mix of red, white, and black quinoa that gives your salad even more color. When the rice is cooked, drain it well, but quinoa should have absorbed the water, just fluff it up a little. Then let them cool completely. Drain and toast the chickpeas lightly with a little olive oil and harissa spices so that they get a little crispy on the outside but still soft. This takes only 3 minutes. And remember to adjust for seasoning. What would a Middle Eastern inspired salad be without pistachios? Right, I think we're ready to assemble everything now. Add the brown rice and quinoa, the sliced tomatoes and olives, then the herbs. I went along with my Middle Eastern theme with fresh parsley and mint, almost like a tabbouleh. I also added green garlic shoots from my herbs garden, but chives can work well too, or even spring onions. If you're anything like me though, you will want to add some cheese to your quinoa salad. Check out this video that brings sweet, salty, creamy and crunchy in one bowl. I transfer it to a shallow salad serving bowl, then add arugula or other tender salad leaves and give everything a good mix. That creamy yogurt dressing goes over last. Coat each grain and leaf. So simple but just yum. Finish this beautifully loaded grain salad with the pickled shallots and pistachios. I want to top with some more pistachios. So many textures. And there's that burst from the tomatoes and those textures from the nuts and the chickpeas. But yes, I think it's really textural, quite lemony. I really think you're going to love this one.